Yesterday we completed, that means previous class we completed till mineral nutrition, that is called plant physiology up to transpiration. Today we discuss about mineral nutrition and enzymes. Mineral nutrition, plants are autotrophic in nature. Plants synthesize their own food material by taking two inorganic components, carbon dioxide and water. In the presence of sunlight and chloroplast, they synthesize chlorophyll. They synthesize sugars. For that purpose, for that process, not only for that process, for many processes, they depend on various mineral ions present in the soil. There are so many mineral ions present in the soil, but very few are regarded as mineral nutrients. A mineral ion is said to be mineral nutrient when it obeys the criteria of essentiality proposed by Arnon Stout. Criteria of essentiality has three basic rules. 1. Every mineral ion must show its existence till the completion of growth and reproduction of a plant. 2. Every mineral ion must involve directly in any process. 3. Every mineral ion should not be replaced by another mineral ion easily. Any mineral ion obeys all these three basic rules, then it is said to be a mineral nutrient. 16 mineral nutrients, 9 macro, 7 micro, their importance. Then absorption of salts, active absorption by utilizing metabolic energy. Then biofertilizers, all this comes under this chapter. Now we start with the questions. Necessity of soil for plant growth was experimentally shown by. Necessity of soil for plant growth. Necessity of soil or mineral ions are experimentally shown by a scientist called Woodward. He conducted an experiment by taking three vessels. In one vessel he took rainwater. In other vessel he took water from Thames River. And in third vessel he took soil extract, that means water squeezed from the soil from Hyde Park. He has grown spearmint plant in this and in this. Plants that not grow well in rainwater, they grow a little bit well in Thames River, but they are growing excellently in soil extract. With this he proved that soil or soil minerals are very much useful in the growth of a plant. That is, necessity of soil for plant growth was experimentally shown by Woodward. Next, Woodward conducted experiments on. Just now I explained, Woodward conducted experiments on spearmint plant. He took three vessels. In one vessel he kept rainwater. In other vessel he kept water from Thames River. In third vessel he kept water from the soil extract of Hyde Park. Spearmint plants that not grow well in rainwater, grow a little bit in Thames water, but very well in soil extract water, proving that soil provides not only water but also many mineral ions for the growth of the plant. So Woodward conducted experiments in spearmint plant. Increase in the dry weight of a plant grown in dilute soil solution was shown by. Increase in the dry weight of a plant. A scientist by name De Saussure proposed that plants gain more dry weight when grown in solutions rather than pure water. This is his analysis. A scientist by name De Saussure proposed that plants definitely gain more dry weight when grown in solutions rather than pure water. That means pure water does not contain necessary mineral ions. So whenever diluted solutions or dilute soil solutions or any solution, if they grow, they definitely grow well. That means plant gain more dry weight when grown in solutions rather than pure water. Increase in dry weight of the plant grown in dilute soil solution was experimentally proved by De Saussure. Aristotle's concept is humus hypothesis. What is humus hypothesis? Aristotle proposed humus hypothesis. It shows that soil is the material with which plant is made up of. Soil is the material with which plant is made up of. So soil is the material with which plant is made up of. or plants are basically made up of soil only was proposed by Aristotle. Woodward, just now we explained experiment to prove that soil extract is important for plant growth. De Saussure is this one. So for this the answer is 3. Essential elements were first discovered by. Essential elements were first discovered not by Aristotle, not by Woodward, not by De Saussure, but by Knox. Knox, Sachs and Knox. Sachs and Knox proposed a concept called as hydroponics. Hydroponics is also called soilless culture. That means method of growing plants without soil or in a medium with all necessary nutrients. If all the necessary nutrients are added to a water, then you will definitely make the plants to grow very well. This concept is called hydroponics and that was proposed by Knox. So essential elements were first discovered by Sachs and Knox.